Today we're going to take some aluminum wheels from this, which is pitted and has some severe peeling clear coat, to this. This is not completely perfect, but it's good enough. I didn't want to spend more than 10 to 15 minutes on each wheel. I just want to prepare this vehicle for sale, make it look a lot better than it was, and this does the job. I'll first clean up this wheel. I'm using some cleaner that is meant for wheels. It's going to clean off the brake dust and the iron. It changes color, the color purple, when it contacts iron. Let this sit for a few minutes and then come back and scrub. I forgot to pop off the center cap, do that. And let's spray in here as well. After a few minutes of this chemical doing its job, I'm gonna come in here and agitate this brake dust and iron away. Grab a brush too and do some more cleaning. So we did what we could to clean up this wheel decently well. Remember, we're not going for perfection. 10 to 15 minutes per wheel is what we want to spend. To do the next step, if you were to do it properly, you'd pull off this wheel and sand it until you get finer and finer grits and end up with a really nice mirror finish. Maybe at that point you'd clear coat and or prime and paint. But what we're going to do is we're going to go at this with a flap wheel. This is very aggressive. This is going to put some scratches into the wheel, but it's also going to take away this nasty clear coat and make it what you saw before in the other wheel. So use a respirator and eye protection for this next step, and let's get at it. If my last steps weren't controversial for you, then this step very well may be. I'm going to go ahead and spray this with some clear coat to prevent future pitting of this now a little bit more shiny aluminum surface. So in order to do that, wear your respirator, protective goggles. This is 2K clear coat, nothing to mess around with. Don't inhale this. Oh right, and it's common in this case to protect the tire from overspray by using a bunch of note cards around the wheel. Ten minutes later, let's apply our second coat. And finally, pop back on your center cap. And here we are. This is the final product. Some people are going to call this a hack, and I get it. I didn't remove the wheel. I didn't spend the hours of effort required for finishing off a single wheel, but it does look far better than it did. I just wanted to make this ready for sale, and it looks much better, much more ready for sale. Even if I were continuing to drive this vehicle around, I'd prefer to drive it in this condition than the way it looked before. So I hope this helps you with your project.